Welcome back to Primetime Sports Friday. Football is where we kick off as attacking midfielder Daniel Johnson and forward Bobby Reid are the new additions to the Reggae Boyz squad in preparation for the League B games of the CONCACAF Nations League against Antigua and Barbuda and Guyana next month. But as Simon Preston reports, there is no place in the squad for Darren Mattocks.
Kingston was part of Jamaica's 40-player pool for the CONCACAF Gold Cup but wasn't selected in the final 23. The other new addition to the squad is forward Bobby Reid. Reid is currently with Fulham on loan from Cardiff City. TVJ sports football analyst O'Neill 1878 Meredith weighed in on the new additions.
Both of them really, I'm excited to see Bobby Reid. Saw him with Bristol earlier and he looked the part. So I am happy that they are part of it because whatever ammunition we need to get through to the next round and at least qualify for the World Cup we're going to need. And I'm happy to see them in the team. They bring a little bit of youth and also freshness.
There is also a recall to veteran defender Adrian Mariappa after recovering from a knee injury in the summer.
Well, he's going to be the leader of the team based on what we have heard in terms of he's a senior man now. And in that department, we are not really blessed with a number of let's say, players of that ilk. Low comes to mind. So I think that it's quite important that Mariappa will be a part. In fact, he's going to be that cog in the defense for us.
But there is no place for Darren Mattocks, who has scored 18 goals for Jamaica in 49 appearances. Meredith is not surprised by his exclusion.
Not been showing the kind of form that we anticipated and making the transfer from DC to Cincinnati. I thought that it has not gone well for him thus far. But I think that maybe will be in the plans further on for the coach, but not right now. And this coach seems to be one that really is consistent in how he has picked his teams in terms of you have to be performing at the highest level. And I think that's a bar that is good to keep the level hot.
The rest of the squad reads Andre Blake, Amal Knight, Fabian McCarthy, Jadine White, Damian Lowe, Kimara Lawrence, Sean Francis, Devon Williams, Alvis Powell, Andre Lewis, Javon Watson, Leon Bailey, Alex Marshall, Junior Flemings, Brian Brown, Dever Orgill, Corey Burke, Shamar Nicholson and Kevon Isaacs. The team will assemble into camp on Monday. The game against Antigua and Barbuda is on September 6 at the Montego Bay Sports Complex before facing Antigua away on September 9. The Reggae Boyz will need to win at least 5 of their 6 games in League B in order to remain as one of the top 6 ranked teams in CONCACAF by September 2020 ahead of the 2022 World Cup qualifiers. Simon Preston reporting for TVJ Sports.